Are you ready to create a stunning quilt without breaking the bank? Let's explore the world of economy block quilts, a timeless design that's both budget-friendly and perfect for beginners. Economy blocks, also known as square in a square in a square, gained popularity during the Great Depression. Quilters loved how these clever designs made the most of every scrap of fabric. Today, they're still a favorite for their simple construction and endless creative possibilities. We've gathered free economy block quilt patterns that are sure to inspire you. These patterns range from traditional designs to modern twists, each offering a unique way to showcase your favorite fabrics or use up your scrap stash. Let's take a closer look at a few standout patterns. The 5-inch Fussy Economy block by Just Get It Done. Quilts is an ideal starting point for beginners. It combines 3 square sizes into one block, allowing you to play with color and fussy cut fabrics for a lively, energetic quilt. For a fun twist, check out the I Spy Economy block quilt. This pattern creates a 42 by 48 inch quilt filled with eye-catching images. It's not just a beautiful piece of art, it's also an interactive game for children to find specific objects within the quilt. If you're looking for a larger project, the Economy Block Blanket Quilt might be just what you need. While it may look daunting, this pattern is actually quite fun to make. The finished quilt measures 60 by 80 inches, perfect for snuggling on the couch or dressing up a bed. For those who love a pop of color, the Technicolor Twist Quilt Block is a must-try. This 20-inch block combines electric colors with a playful, twisting design. Despite its complex appearance, the piecing is surprisingly simple, making it achievable even for beginners. These patterns range from foundation paper piecing designs to charming rag quilts, providing options for quilters of all skill levels. Whether you're drawn to classic square and square designs or prefer a modern twist, there's an economy block quilt pattern waiting for you. So gather your fabric scraps, warm up your sewing machine, and start creating your own budget-friendly masterpiece. So much quilting, so little spending. Discover free economy block quilt patterns at ilovequiltingforever.com. Happy quilting!